Oh, guess what's back? Me. With this crooked hat. And this Busta Rhymes beat. Straight out of 98. Couldn't stop dancing off. This is like the hottest record on your little AWA system with the 3 discs at the top. And you could keep the party going with like 3 CDs and you really couldn't play DJ. Straight house party shit. You know what else is back? Barack Hussein Obama. Motherfuckers delivering commencement speeches all over the country. Started with HBCUs, where this was a very popular song, and then it went on to the rest of the colleges, like they didn't even count. Then he's gonna be doing high schools later. He's on a tour. My wife's convinced he's doing it for free, but nobody does that much work on the road for free. At any rate, you know what else is back? My little vegan munchkin. She's no longer a vegan. Lasted a week. Then I caught her eating some meat out the refrigerator. She said, I can't take it anymore. She was straight pulling the chicken off the bone and just cold chicken to the face. And she was like, being a vegan sucks. And I'm tired a lot. And I can't take it. And I was like, well, I'm glad you learned something. Because that's how we all feel about all those people sitting around eating vegetables, trying to make people feel bad about themselves. They're always cold, a little moody, asking too many questions when they go to restaurants. Well, how do you prepare that? Is there butter involved? Can you just make it with olive oil and fart in it a little bit for me? Huh? So, you know what else is back though? They lifted that ban on the stay-at-home orders. And now it's just safer at home. Which means you don't have to stay at home. Not that people were staying at home, but as soon as that ban was lifted, traffic's all over the place. Traffic jams all over DC. What is happening? People are just driving around for no reason. Tops off on the Jeeps, kids in the back, nowhere to go, playing tennis. Just people out in the streets again. So we are slowly but surely about to return to what it used to be like. I miss it, but I really don't. Let's see what happens on the other side of this. Thank God that Barack has something to say. But speaking of being back, you can wear your hat like this to the side for like 3 more weeks and people won't really care. You can say that wearing it this way was getting in the way of your mask or something. Take it back for a little bit. And we are back to pot liquor. We are definitely going to reuse this pot liquor again tonight. Let's get it on. We're going to do a Manhattan style drink with the pot liquor. Because there ain't nothing but black people drinking green juice. So we're going to make this in a martini glass. So let's ice that up. Make sure it's cold. And for this Manhattan, we're going to be using Maker's Mark liqueur, Amarro instead of a vermouth, just as savory and even better. Of course, pot liquor and angostura bitters. Because it's a Manhattan and you don't want to bruise the brown stuff, it's made in a mixing glass. Let's ice that up. Seen that little girl returning from the vegan. She had like a veggie burger and some cold vegetables with ketchup on them and a baked potato I made her. And she was grunting and groaning the whole time we were watching these little midgets twerk in Little Women LA. And she said, man, I sure miss chicken. I just said, as I ate my chicken. So, we're gonna do 3 ounces of a bourbon. Do a 1/4 ounce of the Amarro, 3/4 of an ounce of the pot liquor, green juice, two dashes of bitters, and then we just mix it up. probably help if when you make yours if you put on some old school Tupac too. It makes it legit. He's mixing green juice into your booze. Like, what am I doing? I don't know. It's gonna be tasty though. It's so savory. Matter of fact, the garnish on this one is gonna be a tomato. If you like tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Let's do our garnish. We're gonna cut a wedge of a tomato. At the thickest part of the tomato, the non-fleshy part, you want to cut a little 45-degree slit. Drop a little salt on it. Sit that on the edge of the glass. And then cut a twist because we're going to express a little of this lemon juice on top of this cocktail to bring out the savoriness of the green juice. Lemon squeeze, a little bit of the oil on the rim. Don't put it in the drink though. Enjoy it. Pot Likker Manhattan.